I'm Ira Moorer, founder of the Moorer Law Firm in Fishkill, New York. One of the most frequent questions I'm asked by clients is, how much is my case worth? The truth is, every case is different from all other cases because no two fact patterns are exactly the same. For this reason, two injury victims who have suffered the same physical injury may have claims that are worth significantly different amounts. In addition, cases are living, breathing things that change as evidence is developed. Therefore, timing is very important when evaluating a case. So what actually is considered when evaluating injury claims? Every case has two parts. First, there is the liability or negligence part of the case. Then, there is the damage part. With regard to negligence, it's necessary, among other things, to consider what is the law that applies to the case. In a comparative negligence state, the negligence of the defendant and injury victim is considered. So we look at how strong the proof of negligence is on the part of the defendant, and we must determine if the client was responsible in whole or in part for the accident. If so, we must consider how much the damages will be reduced to account for the client's own negligence. On the damage side of the case, we must look at the nature of the injuries suffered by the client. How strong a witness will the treating doctor or doctors be when testifying about the injuries and treatment required? Did the client have to undergo surgery? What kind of surgery? Is there a permanent disability that resulted from the injury, or does the client have an ugly scar? What is the nature and extent of the disability? Will the client be able to return to work? Will the client have a reduced earning capacity? How much wage loss, both past and future, will the client suffer, if any? If the client is unable to return to work, will the client lose fringe benefits of their employment, such as health insurance or pension contributions? How much do the medical bills add up to, and will there be future medical expenses that the client will have to pay for? Will there be permanent pain and suffering? What is the life expectancy of the client? In addition to all of these questions, it's necessary to consider where the case is being brought. What type of juror pool will the jury be selected from? Who are the defense attorneys and how experienced are they? Last, but certainly not least, who is your lawyer? And what kind of track record for success does he or she have? As you can see, there are many factors that go into evaluating the worth of a personal injury claim. If you or a loved one has been seriously injured in an accident, call the Moorer Law Firm today for a free consultation at 845-896-5295. You can also visit our firm website at maurerlaw.net to learn more about your legal rights. At the Moorer Law Firm, we treat your injuries and the impact they have on your life and your family as if our lives depend on it.